Welcome to Renew Your Recipe Studio. This is Herbal Heroes series, your front row seat to the world's most powerful plants. Today, we're traveling through the surprising journey of parsley, a humble green with golden benefits. Sprinkled on pasta, swirled into chimichurri, or brightening your tabbouleh, parsley adds more than garnish. It brings a pop of green, a lift of flavor, and a burst of nutrition. It might seem like a sidekick, but parsley often steals the show. Curious why it deserves the spotlight? Let's dig in. Parsley has deep Mediterranean roots. The ancient Greeks crowned athletes with it. Romans used it to freshen their breath after feasts. And medieval herbalists trusted it for healing. Even its Latin name, petroselinum, comes from rock celery. It was sacred, symbolic, and surprisingly practical. Today, you don't need an empire to enjoy parsley, just a patch of sunlight. Parsley starts small but grows bold. From tiny seeds, it sprouts into curly or flat-leaf plants that love sunshine and well-drained soil. You can grow it in backyard gardens, window boxes, or even recycled coffee cups on your kitchen sill. It's easy to grow and always happy to be picked. And speaking of picking, there are two main kinds to choose from. Flatleaf, also called Italian parsley, packs a stronger flavor, perfect for cooking. Curly parsley is milder and greater for garnish. Both add a fresh herbal lift to your food. Use one, use both. They're equally edible, equally awesome. But parsley's powers go far beyond the plate. Parsley is rich in vitamin K for bone strength, vitamin C for your immune system, and vitamin A for your eyes and skin. It can also help neutralize odors. Yes, really. Chew some after garlic and thank nature's breath, mint. And that's just the beginning of parsley's superfood status. This low-calorie herb is bursting with antioxidants. It helps fight cell damage, adds fiber to your diet, and even contains folate and iron. Whether you blend it into a smoothie or sprinkle it raw, parsley adds a healthy punch without the fuss. No wonder parsley has traveled across kitchens around the world. In Lebanon, it's the green soul of tabbouleh. In Argentina, it swirls into bright green chimichurri. Italy adds it to gremolata for a fresh finish. Parsley isn't just universal, it's essential in kitchens across the globe. And beyond the kitchen, parsley has stirred myths and meaning for centuries. In ancient Greece, parsley symbolized both death and rebirth. Jewish families dip it in salt water during Passover as a symbol of purification and new beginnings. It's a humble herb with a rich backstory and plenty of symbolisms. Let's bring it back to your kitchen now for some pro-parsley tips. Chop it finely when flavor matters, coarsely when it's for show. Store it upright in a jar of water like a bouquet, or wrap it in a damp towel in the fridge to keep it fresh all week. Treat parsley right, and it'll treat your meals even better. So, what have we learned from this humble green leaf? Parsley may not shout for attention, but it earns it. Clean, green, and versatile, it's a symbol of flavor, healing, and heritage. From ancient crowns to salad bowls, it lifts everything it touches. Want more leafy legends and flavor facts? Hit subscribe and grow your food wisdom.
See you next bite.
This story was brought to life by Renew Your Recipe Studio, where good food meets good stories.